Daddy.
What is it?
Jonah came here in the afternoon.
Came here?
Yes.
To do what?
He asked for me to go on a reconciliatory date with him. And after waiting around for like an hour begging for me, she agreed and left with him.
Why would your sister do the right thing? I mean, how can she ever consider Jonah again? Ever? Daddy,
I got so worried when I called her phone around 10 p.m. to get me some snacks on our way back. And a stranger picked her phone.
What are you talking about? A stranger?
Yes, Daddy, and the person said there had been an accident and that the occupants were badly injured. Daddy, I can't even remember the exact things he said, but I'm so worried.
Oh my God.
I don't know if anything has happened to Auntie Funmi.
Why not for me? You see, this is what I used to tell you. Jonah is bad news and he's going to kill this girl one day. Just wait.
I need to do something.
Hello, Funmi. Funmi. Sorry, this is not Funmi. Who is this? I want to talk to my daughter. Can I talk to my daughter, please?